Hey, take a breath and picture this. You sit down to work, game, create, or stream, and for the first time in a long time, nothing hesitates. That's exactly the feeling you get with the GEEKOM GT15 Max I. This is for the kind of person who refuses to accept bottlenecks as normal. You notice lag before anyone else does. You feel when graphics aren't quite right. You deserve gear that keeps up with your ambition. If that's you, check the current price and stock now, because powerful mini PCs like this don't sit long. You didn't decide to upgrade on a whim. It built up slowly. Longer load times. Apps that strained under pressure. Your old system felt like it was asking for a break, and you realized you were too. That moment is a turning point. You need outgrown compromise. The first few days with this feel like taking off a weight. You stop adjusting settings just to keep things running. You start trusting your machine to handle tasks without negotiation. There's a calm confidence that comes when your hardware finally matches your pace. Imagine jumping between demanding tasks without a blink. Intense browsing, heavy workloads, creative rendering, and casual streaming, all run without hesitation. Even gaming feels more fluid because the system stays composed under load, not strained. It's not just about the numbers. It's about the experience. Inputs feel trusted. Visuals feel stable. Everything feels intentional and instantaneous. Once you feel this level of responsiveness, anything weaker starts to feel like a step back instead of forward. Take a moment to check availability again. Don't wait for weird price swings or stock changes that always seem to pop up right after you hesitate. If you're thinking this is too much, that's usually the sign you've been settling for too long. This isn't excess, it's headroom. It's future-proofing your setup so that what's demanding today doesn't feel average tomorrow. One unexpected benefit is how surprisingly calm and controlled the system feels, even under pressure. That steadiness keeps you focused longer and makes everything feel smoother. Performance feels immediate and sharp. Apps launch without second thoughts. Tasks feel effortless and stable. Creation and play feel equally capable. It's not the tiniest box out there. Top-tier power needs careful cooling. Eventually, comparison taps close. Every time you weigh a weaker option, you already know what you're giving up. You come back here, because this is the machine that already aligns with how you use your tools. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and regret later. Check the current price, secure yours while it's available, and enjoy the relief of finally owning a mini PC that keeps pace with you.